Hello friends. Woo! Who's that?
Biryani.
And what is Biryani doing today?
So I'm going to open this Barbie camper.
Barbie.
Camper restaurant actually.
Oh
So
wow.
here you can see some materials come and cardboard Barbies here.
Oh.
And look here, this is the actual thing.
Oh. So it's a food truck basically, right?
Yeah, so I'm going to show you the back.
All right.
This is the back. Here
All
are
right.
the instructions, what you have to do,
Okay.
and some pictures.
Oh, I
There is
see.
written cook,
Order.
and eat and enjoy.
Oh, I see.
And so,
So this is a food truck, Barbie food truck, right?
yeah.
All right.
And inside, as you can see from the window,
Mm-hmm.
there's a steering wheel.
All right. So the Barbie can take this and go somewhere, right?
Yeah.
All right.
But whenever you feel like playing with it, just like take
Carry it along. Okay. And go.